I had to sort of like figure it out how am I going to get to that major tour. So having gone through that time, I decided to go to the European Tour School because that was just the way it was. Most of the players that we knew of, the guys that were in Europe at the time were, Peter O'Malley and Lonard and Wayne Riley, those types of players. So they're all playing that tour. So they thought, oh, hey, let's get over there and try and do that one. So at the end of '97, I went over to the Q School and I tried to qualify. Missed out by a couple of shots. Played the Challenge Tour in '98, and then qualified top like 25 and that. So, and then got onto the main tour from 99, 2000, 2001. So having had that experience in Europe had put me in such a good spot for playing the US tour, because I believe if I didn't have that experience in Europe and going through those motions through the European tour, I would never have survived on the US tour.